Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, start of a new video, another car. Now this is going to be the final of my minis for a while because we've done quite a few on the channel. And this one I'm only doing it because it was by request of my dad, would you believe? And he wanted an automatic mini. So we found him one at Copart, which we've got at a bargain of a price. And yeah, needs a bit of work doing to it. Runs and drives, low mileage, only done 51,000 mile. And I'm happy with the purchase, but we've got a bit of bodywork to do. So here we are. So on this one, it's just pushed the bumper in, cracked the bumper. That's an easy fix. It's pushed the reinforcer back into the radiators, which we've got to sort out. But other than that, it's a fairly tidy thing. And so I'm just pausing for a minute here because he's just turned up himself. Boot's gone on it, which it said it didn't open, and that's because it had clipped just here, and it's pushed the bumper in. Now I studied these pictures before I bought this car to determine whether it was going to have done the boot floor or not. Made a judgment call to say it hadn't, and thankfully it hasn't. So a new boot, new back bumper will sort that one out. But it's been looked after before. It's got new discs and pads on the back. It's been looked after. It's just a nice little thing, to be fair. It's not going to take much of a clean up in there. So yeah, we'll get it in, get it stripped down, and get cracking with the repairs. Right, I thought I'd best do some filming on it since we've done the introduction. So we're just taking the boot off. We've just taken off all the wiring. It's essentially the boot's scrap. So's the back bumper. So he's just down there taking all these bits off now, and that'll be the back end. So I've got to take this light out because there's just a little bit of damage to fix here. So I'll take that light out and get to fixing that once everything's stripped down, and then we jump onto the front end, take the front bumper off. Right, bumper's off. As you can see, it's not actually done any damage at all. It's not even damaged the reinforcer, and I've just knocked that out. It's in filler now, just curing. And then we front bumper off now. I'm going to repair this bumper because it's only there, gone in. So I'll just warm that up, put it back into shape. And there's a small crack there which I can plastic rolled up, and I'll put some fiberglass from the back to reinforce that. But on the front, well, so you can see through the bumper that the reinforcer had gone, and it's just bent down the crush cans. And obviously stuffed it into the aircon rad. So yeah, next we'll get all this stripped off, see what damage is done to the coolant radiator, because that's not leaking, because we've still got coolant and everything is fine. We probably will end up replacing it because it does look like it's bent it back. But yeah, for now that's where we're at. Now we'll crack on, we'll get that front bumper done. Right, skip ahead a bit guys, we're all painted now. So just did a bit of a smart repair on the rear there, just to blend that, and then I should just sand this down. When I polish it, that'll all come back. Blend it in so you can't see it. Bonnet's painted, new rear bumper, new tailgate, and the front bumper. Now the front bumper, obviously this is where I had to repair, but when I get it all fitted on today, I'll get it all flattened and polished, and go from there. So I bought the service bits for it as well, and of course it's got the new rads in the front. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with it this morning and get it all put back together again. Right, so we've had half a day on this one. Got the new boot fitted now, light fitted in, we've done the repair on the side there, and Dad's just finishing the clips for the trims and front end on, and then bonnet's on as well, all done. Right, so one of the final things we've got to do is the back bumper, but on that car it's got reverse park sensors in it, whereas the replacement one hasn't, and because the bottom trim was too badly damaged on the old bumper, we can't use it. So basically I've got to fit the parking sensors back into this bumper. Now Most of the bumpers, especially factory ones, you can see have the marks already there where they're supposed to go. So got a handy little tool, get this set up. So basically these fit on the back side of the bumper for the sensors to stick through and basically just do the sonar thing. But you've got to cut them out to the right size. So the kit that I've got comes with the drill bit and all the different ends. So basically you need to go in the middle, drill the hole, and then find the right thing. So on each one you've got two sizes, back and front, with a die that goes the other way, either way around, punch different size holes, and then a back in which slots in either that side or this side so that you can push it through basically. Now I've just got to figure out the right one for this. So we presume they're about 26. No, that's a 32, that one. So basically get the 32 die and a back end. Right, put the bolt through that one, into that one, in there, get the 32 on there, and on the bolt down on there, which is 10 and 11. Right, let me just get my socket set and we'll get it done. And then all you do, keep winding this down. And it'll just push the die through the bumper. Hopefully leave a nice hole. Die stuck. That's a great start. Like that. So what I've got now, yeah, this is a smaller size one, got the one on the other side there to do. So yeah, drop it on time lapse, get these done and get them fitted. Right, so the main purpose of using the die is that it makes a perfect hole so that when you get it stuck on the back side, it fits in like it's supposed to. So it's quite difficult to hold it, but you've got a perfect hole. Rather than trying to do it and drill it out and bore it out, it just cuts a nice perfect hole. So I'm going to go ahead, get these glued back in there. I nearly forgot to record actually giving it a quick wash off because it's raining, so I'm rushing around at the end of the day. So just going to get this one wash off now and then we'll do a walk around and I'll show you. Right guys, we're at the finish line. So another one done. Just had a quick polish up, all done, ready for him to take home. So as we've said, this one was built for my dad. He wanted the automatic Mini, and we've done our bits with it. So obviously bonnet we've repainted, front end we've repainted, and we had to do new boot, new back bumper. Wasn't any damage to the reinforcer at all, which is quite nice. It's just turned out to be a nice little car, to be fair. So let me get my stand, go through some figures on it. Right, so on the car, so basically when we got it, we picked it up, it was £1,080 with the fees, which I think was really cheap for a low mileage automatic Mini anyway. And with the spends and everything on it, the whole thing altogether, with parts and paint and service kit, the whole car's cost about £1,600 to do and build. The difference in the value of it, so the value's worth, it books at being about £5 to sell it. Obviously that's without the category damage on it. It is a category damage car, so we probably put it at being at about £4,000, but obviously it's not been sold. So had it been sold, it would have been a nice profit to make in it. But overall, another one done, another one ready to go. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. So as always guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please share and subscribe. And that's it. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for watching guys.